Lose weight fast for men. If you're ready to start taking your health seriously and put a plan into action, then this video will help you. We go over the best ways to lose fat, get stronger, build muscle, and maintain a healthy lifestyle for years to come. 1. The key is diet. We know it's easy to succumb to the temptations of holiday treats. It's hard to turn down a candy cane and gingerbread latte from Starbucks. It's difficult to resist Aunt Betty's homemade fudge after she spent all afternoon slaving in the kitchen. It takes strong willpower to say no when Grandpa offers you a second helping of pumpkin pie. But if you consume well throughout the year, it will be much easier to maintain a healthy weight and feel good on the inside. If you eat more than you intended to, work out to burn the additional calories. In order to avoid holiday weight gain, we can make some simple changes that will help us stay on track with our healthy lifestyles. 2. Create a calm environment in your mind. Creating a calm environment in your mind is one of the most helpful things you can do to relieve stress. The first step is to learn how to quiet your thoughts. When we're stressed, our minds tend to race. We think about all the things we have to do and feel anxious about not being able to get them done. There are a few things you can do to slow down this process. 3. Include powerful nutrients in your diet. When it comes to your diet, you can't have too many superfoods. The term superfood refers to any food containing a nutrient or compound with a powerful ability to improve health. Each superfood has its own benefits, but when it comes to your health and energy levels, you'll want to make sure you're including as many of these superfoods as possible in your diet. The best way to get the nutrients that these foods provide is by eating them regularly, but if that's not an option for you, there are plenty of supplements out there that include them too. Just be sure not to rely exclusively on supplements, because some of the best nutrients come from whole foods themselves. 4. Raise awareness. It can be tempting to be a little lazy in the summertime, or during any season, really. Maybe you enjoy the idea of sitting by the pool for hours on end, reading a book, or doing whatever you want. And hey, that's fine. I'd love to do that too. But if we want to stay healthy and active, it's important to keep moving. We need to remind our friends how important it is to stay fit. A good way to get your friends motivated is to bring it up in conversation. Don't force the issue, but try to subtly suggest that you and your friends should start working out together. You could ask them if they know of a gym nearby that you could join, or invite them along when you go running in the park with your dog. There are also lots of ways to motivate yourself. If you're feeling sluggish, run around your neighborhood or go dancing with a friend. It'll be fun and will make you feel great. 5. Work on boosting your will. There are many things to consider when you set out to lose weight. One of the most important is your own willpower. If you don't have enough food in the kitchen, if you have the TV on all day, and if you don't get enough exercise, it will be very difficult to lose weight. Make sure that you have a variety of healthy foods in your house at all times, that you limit yourself to 1 or 2 hours of TV each day, and that you get off the couch at least 3 times a day to do some exercise. Remember, it's not just about dieting, it's about health. 6. A daily 20-minute walk. When it comes to weight loss, the most effective prescription is a daily 20-minute walk. In a recent study of sedentary adults, those who added just 20 minutes of walking each day to their existing routine lost more weight than those who did not have an increase in physical activity. The findings held true even when the researchers adjusted for diet and other factors that can influence results, such as age and gender. Researchers measured the participants' body mass index, BMI, which is a standard way of measuring overweight or obesity. Based on their BMI, about half of the participants were considered obese or overweight and were assigned to a control group that received no special instructions about how much to exercise. The rest were told to walk at least 20 minutes continuously on 5 days per week. The researchers found that after 6 months, the exercisers had lost more than twice as much weight as those who did not exercise. On average, they shed 3.5 pounds of fat and gained 1 pound of lean tissue, compared with about a pound in each category for the non-exercisers. That's equivalent to losing approximately 13 pounds for a 200-pound person and gaining almost 5 pounds for a 150-pound person over 6 months without changing your diet. 7. Outline the advantages when you go to the gym or walk around the block with a friend. You're strengthening your body and improving your health. You should let people know how great that feels. It will give you a feeling of accomplishment and make others want to join in. 8. Engage in yoga. Yoga is a great way to develop a healthy lifestyle and promote weight loss. There are many types of yoga, so finding the one that best suits you is important. It's important to remember that everyone has a different goal for doing yoga, so if you don't like the one you're practicing, try another. Yoga can be used to promote weight loss, improve flexibility, and tone muscles. In order to make sure you are achieving your desired goals, you should consult with your doctor before starting any exercise program. The American College of Sports Medicine recommends 30 minutes of cardiovascular exercise at least 3 days a week in addition to strength training twice a week. You can achieve these goals by doing yoga every other day while adding cardio workouts on your off days. While yoga is not intended to replace traditional exercises, it can be incorporated into your regular workout routine. If you have never practiced yoga or aren't sure what type of class will work best for you, you may want to start with a duction class and then try several different classes until you find the right one for you. The reality is that you don't need a complex list of things to do in order to lose weight. It should be simple and straightforward, and that's exactly what it is. It's not just one thing that you can do, it's the combination of things done together that will give you the best chance at losing weight. Even if there were some magic pill out there that would allow you to lose weight without changing your lifestyle, why would you want to take something when you could naturally shed pounds with relatively little effort? Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, The Good Fat, for more amazing content like this.